Big news is coming in from the world of Apple. According to a trusted source on Weibo, digital chat station, who has a strong track record with leaks, Apple is gearing up to equip all 4 iPhone 17 models with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, you heard that right, even the base model might finally get the memory boost Apple fans have been asking for. Previously, rumors suggested only 3 of the 4 iPhone 17 variants would receive this upgrade, with the standard model still under discussion. But now, it looks like Apple is leaning toward giving the entire iPhone 17 lineup the full 12 gigabytes treatment, and a final decision is expected soon. But that's not all, there's also a major chip upgrade on the horizon. The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max will be powered by the new A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's 3nm process. This means significantly faster performance, better power efficiency, and improved thermal control compared to the A18 Pro. This leap in chip design could bring real-world improvements in multitasking, gaming, video editing, and battery life, areas where Apple already leads, but clearly aims to push even further with the iPhone 17 Pro series. And Apple isn't stopping there. Looking ahead to the iPhone 18 series, new reports suggest those models will debut 6-channel LPDDR5X memory, offering higher memory bandwidth and faster data transfer. This will likely lead to smoother app performance, faster background processes, and better support for future iOS features. So to sum it up, white heavy checkmark iPhone 17 lineup might all get 12 gigabytes of RAM. White heavy checkmark A19 Pro chip with next-gen 3nm architecture. White heavy checkmark iPhone 18 to launch Apple's first LPDDR5X memory system. With these memory and chip upgrades, Apple seems to be finally responding to demands from power users, gamers, and pro-level content creators who want more than just camera upgrades and new colors every year. The iPhone 17 could mark a serious performance breakthrough, and the iPhone 18 might just raise the bar even higher. Stay tuned for more updates as Apple finalizes these decisions, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest leaks, rumors, and in-depth Apple coverage right here.